Welcome. Managing payroll, employee data, and HR processes can become complicated without the right tools. That's where Paylocity comes in. Paylocity is a comprehensive payroll and human resources platform designed to help businesses manage employee information, process payroll accurately, and streamline HR operations from one centralized system. With tools for payroll processing, time tracking, benefits management, and workforce analytics, businesses can reduce manual work and keep their HR processes organized. Let's get started. Web page or landing page on the first few results of Google. And if you already have an account, then you can straight up log in through here with your company ID, username, and password. There's also the option to single sign on. Log in. But if you don't have an account yet, then you're going to have to go through their process of requesting a demo. So we're just going to show that real quick. This will allow you to see Paylocity in action. You just need to fill in these details and they will be in touch with you shortly. Of course, since you're going to specify your details such as business, email and employee count, as well as company and job title, your requested demo will be tailored to your business needs. So if you want to sign up for an account, then just go through there, request a demo process, but for this video, we're going to be focusing on what information we can gather from Paylocity's website. So first up, Paylocity is a cloud-based payroll and human capital management, or HCM software, designed to streamline workforce management for businesses of all sizes. Now here, they have in their all-in-one platform a payroll software, benefits administration, HR software, time and attendance, talent management, and employee experience. So we're going to go through all of these one by one in a bit, but for now, let's try to talk about the key features of Paylocity. So first up, Paylocity has this comprehensive payroll processing wherein there's automatic calculation of wages, taxes, and deductions. There's also support for multiple pay schedules and payment methods. And then there's also real-time compliance with tax laws and regulations. Now, in terms of tax management, there's automated tax filing and payment services. There's compliance with federal, state, and local tax regulations. There's also year-end forms such as W-2s and 1099s that are prepared and distributed electronically or via email. Now, they also have self-service portals. So these employee self-service portals give access to pay stubs, tax forms, and direct deposit settings. There's also manager self-service tools for approving time cards and managing payroll. Now, talking about integration with time and attendance, there's asynchronization with time tracking systems to ensure accurate payroll calculations, as well as overtime tracking and compliance with labor laws. For the benefits administration, integration with benefits enrollment to manage deductions are included, as well as coordination with benefits carriers for seamless updates. They also have a mobile app which has an accessible payroll and HR tools for both employees and managers on the go, as well as push notifications for payroll approvals and updates. There's also custom reporting and analytics, on-demand reports for payroll costs, labor allocation and tax liabilities, and advanced analytics to track trends and make informed decisions. And lastly, for scalability and customization, there are configurable workflows to fit unique business needs, as well as scalable features for business of various sizes and industries. So when they're all in one platform, let's check their payroll software. So their payroll software solutions. You can save time and gain confidence, imply employees rely on their paychecks, just random info. All right. So it's a request for demo, as you can see. But basically, you can submit and approve from anywhere. You can improve accuracy and reimburse faster, as well as analyze trends and reports. So this is a brief preview of what it looks to approve and submit, or reimburse, as well as analyze trends and reports. You see the receipts right there. Again, a more thorough info or an explanation will be provided if you request a demo. Let's check their benefits administration right here. Same goes. You have this preview over here. So there's more autonomy and less confusion. Move from manual to magical. Turn information into insights, connect your data with integrations, offer diverse and competitive benefits, and simplify compliance complexities. You can see here balances and contributions. See if we can take a look at this. Right here. Convenient, 24/7, access to plans and funds. So there's a health savings account, flexible spending accounts. Reimbursement. So health reimbursement arrangements are tax advantage. Employer-funded health benefit. Plans that reimburse out-of-pocket medical expenses, premium-only plans, COBRA administration, and transportation management. So these are just a few of the benefits. And plans and funds that you have access to or are partnered with Paylocity. So let's check out HR software. Now here. Human Resource Management System. Another brief preview of that, where you have 24/7 access. It helps simplify tasks and information. Collection. Attain higher accuracy and reporting. Store documents in a secure, centralized location. Help employees stay connected, reduce compliance risk, make informed staffing decisions, and get assistance from HR experts. See, they have a compliance dashboard here. You can change how you manage tax and HR compliance. Some more info on that. And then time and attendance. You see here, you can manage everything from time off to time cards, identify real-time insights, rule the rules and cover in-depth data, approve time cards for speedy payroll, and keep everyone in the know. Of course, this is very essential to always be transparent with the timekeeping and attendance, so that's for time and attendance. Let's check out talent management right here. So effectively find and retain top talent. Schedule your interview. You can see over here. All right, so reduce time to hire, increase applicant volume, and elevate the candidate experience. More info here on that. You also promote inclusivity. All right, it's pretty good for talent management. And lastly, for employee experience, a curated employee experience solution. There's a video over here if you want to check that out, but a date through the lens of your employee coffee in one hand, Paylocity in the other. You can get transparent real-time communication, connect, and collaborate. So there's like a social media feature here, which is also important if you want to build rapport or an actual connection with your employees. Feel valued and acknowledged. There we go. There's a recognized feature here. My teammates really impressed me, so I recognize them with a peer recognition badge and a reward boost. So they have that. You can get answers quickly, build relationships around common interests, stress less over finances, and easily take action. All right, so that's all they have for their all-in-one platform. The most complete platform for the modern workforce. Thank you for watching this Paylocity payroll tutorial. Using a payroll and HR management platform like Paylocity can help businesses simplify payroll processing, manage employee data more efficiently, and maintain accurate HR operations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on payroll software, HR tools, and business platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.